This is a 3D model demonstrating a geared electric motor assembly, commonly referred to as a motor reducer. The blue component is the electric motor, which provides the high-speed rotational input. It is securely mounted onto a foundational base. The most critical element is the gearbox, which we can now see inside. As the casing cuts away, the internal workings are revealed. This model features a single stage of gearing. The motor shaft drives a smaller input gear, which then meshes with a larger output gear. These components are supported by precision bearings, allowing them to handle substantial mechanical loads efficiently. This specific gear combination functions to significantly reduce the rotational speed coming from the motor, while simultaneously multiplying the torque delivered to the final output shaft. This transformation is vital for heavy-duty industrial applications requiring high torque at low speeds.